Good day, Ma'am Rosel. I'm Heinrich A. Escalona from Beautified FSM 2I in Food Preparation and Handling. So, what are the different tools and equipment? I have 5 items as a content in my presentation. First, pastry bag and tubes. Second is pastry brush. Third, can opener. Fourth, scales or weighing scales. And last, fifth is volume measures. First, pastry bag and tubes. A conical tube with a pattern hole at one end fitted over the opening of a cloth funnel. So, as usual, ito yung ginagamit for baking, common use for shaping icing, and food paste, lalo na sa mga cake or cookies, etc. And second is pastry brush to spread a glaze or egg wash on the crust or surface of the food. So, itong si pastry brush is commonly used to spread like a butter and or peanut, or pwede rin siya sa marinate for the barbecue. And next is, most commonly na to is can opener, a device that is used in the kitchen to open cans of foods. So, bakit magandang gamitin si can opener? So, si can opener kasi, ang magandang nagagawa nito is kapag binuksan mo siya, is walang naiiwan na edges ng steel. Kapag binuksan mo siya is straight line siya instead na gumamit ka ng knife. And next one is weighing scale. So, this is common na sa atin. A set of levels or numbers which are used in a particular system of measuring things or are used when comparing things. So, ito is common na talaga sa atin to. Nakikita natin to kahit saan, sa palengke or anything na may mga tindahan. So, nakikita natin dito yung 1/4, 1/2, 1 kilo, 2 kilos, etc. So, ito yung nagbe-base kung ilan yung kilo na pwede nating bilhin sa gagamitin nating preparation for food. Mga ganon. And lastly, next one is volume measures. It is also known as the capacity of the object. Finding the volume of an object can help us to determine the amount required to fill that object, like the amount of water needed to fill a bottle. For my common sense na lang po is volume measures is ito yung sinusukat mo yung liquid na ginagamit mo sa food. Like example ko na lang po, like mga condensed, mga milk, powder milk, yung mga ginagamit talaga sa food na hindi talaga na dapat may sukat. So, pwede sila mag-compare o magkaparehas ni weighing scale. Si weighing scale lang kasi is titimbangin mo lang siya sa ibabaw, then ikikilo. Pero si volume measures naman is through talagang ilalagay mo siya yung ingredients mula do sa loob ng cup or bowl. And that's all in of presentation. Thank you po.